So I was just starting to prepare our evening meal, and I thought I'd just do a quick video of it. The reason I thought it'd be worth a video is we're trying something new tonight. I'm a big fan of keeping it simple when camping, and I decided we'd give these a go. It's from a company called Fiid. It is spelled F-I-I-D, but it's pronounced Feed, I'm assured. And this is the sun-dried tomato and lentil ragu. It is a vegan meal, but I'm vegetarian, so hopefully that's in focus. Yeah, I'm vegetarian, so I thought I'd give them a go. Easy to do. You can either microwave it, which obviously is going to be a bit difficult when camping, but it says to just warm it through in the pan, not boil it, just heat it up, and it's ready to eat. So I've got some water boiling, and we're going to drop some penne pasta in there. And once that's almost cooked, we'll undo one of these packets. I've got 2 packets in case we're feeling hungry, but the plan is to undo one, see how much is in the pan, and take it from there. So I'll keep you updated. We are using my ultimate Trangia set. It's earning its keep these days, so I'll keep you updated as we go along. So let's have a quick check on the pasta. Oh, that's simmering away nicely. Still got a few minutes to go yet, so it's about 250-300 grams of pasta in here, which should be enough for the 2 of us. It won't be the biggest meal we've ever eaten, but hopefully the feed ragu will bulk it out a little. Yeah, so I'll keep you updated, folks, and hopefully it won't be too long because my stomach is rumbling. So let's have another quick look at the pasta. Oh, that's coming along. In preparation, I think what we'll do is we'll open one of these packets of ragu and see how much is in one. It's 275 grams, but we'll have a look at the consistency and the ingredients and see how bulky it is, or whether it's going to be the thin runny type sauce. That is a thick sauce. That isn't a sauce. Now they do a wide range of these meals. I've got quite a few ready for an upcoming trip. I've got a tagine, chip shop curry, Thai green curry, I believe. There's quite a few of them. I think we'll be having both packets of this. I'll get them both in there, and I'll just angle it for the camera so you can see the consistency. There seems to be an abundance of lentils and carrots in there. I can see mushrooms as well, and onion. Still a few chunks left in there. That's it. So hope that's coming through on camera, but you can see that is quite a substantial meal in itself. So with that bit of pasta in there, it should be wonderful. So what we'll do is we'll get the other Trangia lit and get that warming through. I have pre-filled it full of meths, or denatured alcohol as I use. I'll let that bloom before I put the pan on to try and avoid a bit of sooting up. I do find the pans stay a bit cleaner with denatured alcohol than they do with the standard meths. And a handy tip for you when you're camping like this, when you have done whatever you're doing in terms of cooking, just wipe the base of the pan on the grass to get rid of the loose soot, so that when you're handling it you don't get black hands. That's bloomed, so we'll get that on there. I'll let these warm through and I'll see you a little later. Oh, just caught that just in time, just about to boil over. Now I'll see you a little later. Okay, the sauce is warming through nicely now. It actually heated very quickly and it says not to boil it, so I think we'll add the simmering. Let's cut down on the heat and just keep on station and stirring so as we don't get any heat spots, particularly in the middle of the pan, because we're on the simmering, which means the heat is more centralized on the pan. The pasta is almost there. The dogs are sort of loitering in the background, hoping that some of this is for them, and I can assure you it's not. Let's just check the pasta. That would be just about perfect for me, because I do like my pasta a little al dente, but my partner prefers it on the softer side, so we'll give that a little bit longer. And I'll say we'll keep stirring this sauce, and like any good chef, you should taste your food as you go along. Oh, that is really nice. That is very tomatoey, and you can tell there's a strong Italian herb taste in there as well. Yes, I'm going to enjoy that. Okay guys, I'll keep watching this and not subject you to that boredom, and we'll catch up a little later. Right then folks, there we have it, a lovely tasty meal. The sauce doesn't go as far as the sort of jar sauces, but it's a lot more substantial, and I can assure you it tastes absolutely lovely. The only thing we're missing is a little bit of parmesan, as we neglected to bring some with us, but I'm sure we'll enjoy it anyway. Thanks for watching, and if it's been of any sort of entertainment value to you, please like and or subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Keep on dabbling. Well, I thought I'd ended this video folks, but as you can see, we've got two clean plates here. That was really nice. One thing I forgot to mention when I was cooking it is that this is made with all natural ingredients. There's no artificial flavorings, colorings or preservatives in there, and that really comes through in the taste. That was really nice. The dogs didn't get any of the leftovers because there weren't any. I'll see you on the next video, and thanks for watching. Bye.